Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about CMOS NAND gate. It consists of two series NMOS transistor between output Y and ground and two parallel PMOS transistor between output Y and VDD. Here we have the truth table of NAND gate. We have four input combinations 0 volt 0 volt, 0 volt 5 volt, 5 volt 0 volt, 5 volt 5 volt. For first combination 0 volt 0 volt output is 5 volt. For second combination 0 volt 5 volt output is 5 volt. For third combination 5 volt 0 volt output is 5 volt. For last combination 5 volt 5 volt output is 0 volt. Now we will see how we can get these outputs for the respective input combination. As we know, for 0 volt the PMOS is in on state, whereas NMOS is in off state. For 0 volt PMOS is in on state, whereas NMOS is in off state. So this series NMOS will be in off state. There will be no any connection between output Y and ground, and PMOS are in on state. Therefore, there is a connection between VDD and output Y. So the voltage can pass through this PMOS. Okay. So what is the value of Y? 5 volt. Next combination 0 volt 5 volt. For 0 volt PMOS is in on state, whereas NMOS is in off state. But for 5 volt it is the reverse process. PMOS is in off state, NMOS is in on state. So here B terminal NMOS is in on state, but A terminal NMOS is in off state, and there is a disconnection. Therefore, there is no any direct connectivity between the output Y and ground. Even though B PMOS is in off state, but still there is a connection between VDD and output Y through PMOS, and whose input terminal is A. Therefore, we can have the output Y equal to 5 volt. Next combination 5 volt 0 volt. For this respective combination, input A terminal PMOS is in off state, input B terminal PMOS is in on state, input A terminal NMOS is in on state, input B terminal NMOS is in off state. Even though input A terminal is in off state, but still there is a connectivity between VDD and output Y through B input terminal PMOS. Therefore, we can say here we can have the output Y equal to 5 volt. Last combination 5 volt 5 volt. As we know, for 5 volt the PMOS is in off state, whereas NMOS is in on state. So there is a direct connectivity between ground and output Y, and there is a disconnectivity between VDD and output Y. So output is 0 volt over here. Thank you friends for watching this video.